Hello traders, you are welcome back to another MT4 tutorial. All right. In this video, we are diving into how to customize your MT4 charts by changing candlestick colors and background colors. Okay. A well-optimized chart is essential for better visibility, reduced eye strain, and improved price action analysis. So if you've ever struggled with MT4's default color, if you've ever struggled with MT4's default colors, or you just want a cleaner, more professional look for your trading setup, then this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So what you're going to be learning today is how to change the background color of your MT4 chart, how to modify candlestick colors for clever bullish and bearish moves, how to save and apply chart templates for easy customization, the best color combinations for better readability and reduced eye strain. Okay, so by the end of this video, you will have a fully customized trading chart that fits your style and helps you analyze the market with clarity. Before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe for more MT4 tutorials and trading strategies. Now let us jump right in. Before we start tweaking the settings, let's talk about why chart customization is important. I'm just going to open a chart, a new chart, and I'm going to open a new chart, and I'm just going to leave this default for now until we start the main customization. Okay, so by default, MT4 charts have a black background, as we can see, with green and white candlesticks, as you can see right here. Right now, while this works for some traders, many find it too dark or too bright, causing eye strain during long trading sessions. So many may also find it difficult to distinguish bullish and bearish candles, leading to confusion, and many might find it unorganized, making trend identification and price action analysis harder. So customizing your MT4 chart allows you to reduce clutter, enhance visibility, and create a comfortable trading experience. Now let us go step by step and set up your ideal trading chart. All right, let us start by changing the background color of your MT4 chart. So just follow these simple steps. You open your chart properties, right click anywhere on your chart, select properties. Okay, so right click anywhere on your chart, select properties from the menu. Then in the colors tab, you can locate background and select your preferred color. All right, so let me just use white. Okay, for a light theme, you can just choose white or light gray. For a dark theme, you can go with black or dark blue. All right, then in order to adjust other visual elements, you can change the grid color. Right, you can change the grid color to none. Okay, or a light gray for a cleaner look. All right, then you can adjust the foreground, price labels and time axis basically to match your background color for contrast. Okay, so the foreground and the background should match for contrast. All right, so if you are using a white background, your foreground could be black. If you are using a black background, your foreground could be white. All right, for contrast. Now, once you've made these changes, you click on OK and check your new chart. Okay, so this is the step we have executed so far. Now let us modify the candlestick colors to make bullish and bearish moves easier to read. So the first step is to open your chart properties again, and then you change your bullish and bearish candlesticks. You locate bar up and blue bull candle. So for bar up, you can just set it to blue or green, whichever one you prefer. Your bar up and your bull candle basically should be the same color. All right, so if you're using blue, you set it blue blue. If you're using green, you set it green green. Then you locate bar down and bear candle. You can set them to red for bearish candles. All right, set both to red. All right, Now the third step is to modify other chart elements. Okay, you can change the line chart color if necessary. All right, if necessary. Okay, but well, there's really no need for that anyways. Then you can adjust, the volume bars as well, to match your theme if you wish. Now this setup helps you quickly recognize trends and price movements without distractions. So now that your chart looks exactly how you want it, let us save it as a template so you don't have to repeat this process every time. So to save your custom chart, you click on charts in the top menu, right? Then you select template, you click on save template, then you can just name your template, all right? Whatever you want to name it, whether you want to name it clean setup, or you want to name it dark theme, or you want to give it a fancy name or something, just, you save it, and then I'm just going to save it clean setup, all right? And then you click on OK. Then you can open a new chart. You can actually open a new chart, and then you right click, you go to template, and select your saved setup. So let's go to clean setup and click on it. So you can see automatically I have gotten, my setup the way the way I saved it. Can you see? So I don't have to start setting the properties over, from the start. I don't have to start setting it from beginning because I already have the template saved. Okay, so now you can instantly apply your custom colors to any chart with just one click. So here are some recommended color combinations to improve readability and reduce eye strain. For light theme, which is minimalist and clean, you can actually decide to use, background white. Bullish candles, you can use blue or green. For your bearish candles, you can use red. For your greed, you can use none or light gray. All right, let's see. Here is even light gray again. Okay, you can just use something that is okay, even if it's not light gray exactly, but can even use this. You can use snow, you can use mint cream. Right. Anyways, then for your dark theme, best for low light. Okay, so you can use your background as black or dark gray. Okay. Then for your bullish candles, you can use blue. For your bearish candles, you can use red. For your greed, you can use dark gray or none. All right. So a pro tip for you: avoid neon colors or overly bright backgrounds because they may look cool but can cause eye fatigue over time. Before we wrap up, let's go over some common mistakes traders make when customizing their charts. The first mistake is using colors that are too similar. If your bullish and bearish candles are similar in color, you might struggle to differentiate trends. The second mistake is overloading the chart with indicators. A clean chart is key. Too many indicators and colors can lead to analysis paralysis. Okay, and then finally, do not make the mistake of not saving your template. If you don't save your template, you'll have to redo your settings every time. All right, and you wouldn't want that. So that is it, traders. Now you know how to fully customize your MT4 chart by changing candlestick colors and background settings. A well-optimized chart can improve your analysis, reduce eye strain, and make trading easier. So if you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more MT4 tips, trading strategies, and technical analysis. Let me know in the comments what your favorite chart colors are, and if you want more customization tutorials, drop your suggestions below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.